paid for, there's no mortgage. I'm going to write 3 offers on a yellow piece of tablet paper. I'm not going to type up a contract. I'm not pulling out my fancy Mac or my Surface, like this gentleman's got right here. And I'm going to write less than 20 words on that piece of tablet paper. Let her circle one of the 3. Offer number 1 will be cash, and it will be the lowest. We always go from low to high. You're leading them to where you want them to go. And folks, let me just say this to you. Whenever I negotiate with any seller, I have to get 4 things agreed to get a deal. There's 4 things we have to come to an agreement with. And here's the thing. They can win 3 out of the 4, and I can still win. This is what most of you don't understand. The 4 components of a deal is price. Down, payment, time, and interest. There's 4 components of the deal. Price, down, interest, time. Hey, if they want all their money right now, it's going to be low and it's going to be cash. Okay? So the formula that all seasoned rehabbers follow is a formula called MAO, M-A-O. Called maximum allowable offer. Matter of fact, you want to be a great wholesaler like Tom, you've got to get the deal below MAO, because the wholesaler gets what they got below MAO to MAO. The rehabber pays MAO. Okay? MAO, maximum allowable offer, is what that stands for. It's a very simple formula that goes, what's the house worth fixed up times 70% minus repairs. Very simple. House is worth 250, 250 times 70, minus whatever repairs it needs. Now, her house didn't need hardly anything. It was what I call a pretty home. Dated, yes. Yellow bathroom, canary. But everything else was in good shape. So can we just say bathroom and a little bit of carpet, 10 grand? So 250 times 70% is what?
185.
175. Okay? Minus 10. 165. So start at 160. Okay? Now, I know she's not going to take that. And I know if that's all I give her, she's probably not going to take it. She's had wholesalers there already. Doesn't trust them. So I know if that's all I leave her, I'm no better than anybody else that it's an over game. Make sense? Offer number 2. Split funded. 2 words. Split funded. And I tell her it's very simple. It's some now and some later. Could I give her $210,000 for her house and give her $30,000 now and the rest in 5 years? Now, why would she do that? The $30,000 would get the moving truck, the cars, everything to Dayton, and some spending money for her to have with him until he passes. Right? And the rest would be left to the daughters. That they would each split what was left. So if it's $210, I give her 30, that means $180,000 will be paid later, $90,000 to each one of the daughters. That's why she would do it. Because look, if she rents her house out, she's not going to get anything. Much of more, right? Now, how would I profit from that? It's worth $250 and I get it for $210. I make $40,000 the minute we get the ink dry on the paperwork, correct? Right? But what if I rented it out for $2,200 a month? Minus taxes, minus insurance. Let's say that leaves me $1,500 a month here because your taxes are much higher than mine. If I collect $1,500 a month from a tenant for the next 5 years, that's 60 months, that's $90,000, isn't it? So I made 40 and 90. Everybody follow? And could I say that 90 up towards to what I owe? Yes. So if I have that 90 saved up, by the time I have to give her the whole lump sum of 180 at the end, I've got half of it. Do you think I can find somebody to lend me $90,000 on a $250,000 house? Yeah. 270, 275, and there's another 25. So I put up $30,000, and by the end of the 5 years, I'm looking at making $175,000 on my money. I mean, it would be okay there. Oh, you don't have the 30. Because you have somebody else put up the 30 and split it. That's called the elephant and the mouse partnership, by the way. The elephant puts up the money, the mouse does all the work. Wasn't a joke. Seriously, my beginning years, I was the mouse. When I was waiting tables, I didn't have a nickel. I had an attorney put up money on wheels and we split it. Today, it's the reverse. Today, I am the elephant. I didn't say shamu, I said elephant. Am I right to use my proof of funds on your deal? Did it help you get the deal?
Yeah.
He's got my damn bank statement. Right? It shows 7 figures in there, does it not? Had my name on it, didn't it? He's one of my students, so here's what's funny. I'm not even getting a nickel off that. But because he's one of mine, I want to help him. Here's what you have to understand. An elephant will always help the young ones. Because here's what you understand. There's no greater gift than you to be present when you're no longer present. We copied a piece of paper and sent it. But what you guys are afraid to ask people that are financially successful for help, because you're so sure we won't. You understand we remember them days? And you know what? Maybe someday he'll get a deal that's too rich for his blood that he'll want to share it. And maybe he won't. But at the end of the day, he's done something better for his family, yeah? So ask the people who have money in this group for help. There's plenty of money in this room. You get a good deal and you don't have the money to play ball. It's here. It's here. That's why Tommy does. I'm sorry, I call you Tommy.
You can call me. You can call me Tommy.
I call you Tommy. So try to break that habit.
You don't need to.
I remember when he was a young guy before kids, before a wife. And we've known each other for almost 2 decades. So you understand that that's why he does the success stories, is so that you understand who the players are. So if you got a deal, you bring it. Make sense? Offer number 3. Seller finance. House is worth $250. I'm going to give her $240. If she lists it with a realtor, she's not going to get $240. She's going to be down in the $230, $220 range, right? Because by the time she pays 6% commission, and she's got to deal with trying to clean this thing out when she can't, she's not even going to get $240. So I'm giving her more than she's going to get with a realtor. Make sense? Now, could I give her $240, which is the highest price, which she will accept, and 40 down, which is better than 30? Which way would she be leaning if I did that? She'd be leaning to the last one, right? Now, see what
So we got Robin Thompson here live now, and 2 days with Robin Thompson this weekend, this Saturday and this Sunday. Saturday is all on renovating houses for massive profits, and Sunday is on her keeper strategy. So her buy and holds, they're very specific, and it's unique. I've never heard anyone describe it like this before. And you've got to learn this, because the key to wealth then is buying and holding, and how specifically you do that. Robin is going to show you exactly how that works and exactly how you can work so that you pay down your portfolio and completely own your portfolio outright, which is the key to great wealth in the end. So it's using the renovations and the buy and hold at the same time. Go to tractionrea.com/Robin, ROBYN, tractionrea.com/Robin, and you can grab some tickets for this weekend. Look forward to seeing you on Saturday and Sunday. It's Tom Zeeb for Traction Real Estate Mentors, tractionrea.com/Robin, and we'll see you this weekend. Thanks, gang. Bye.